At midnight, I sat alone in the attic, dust swirling as I loaded a ribbon into my grandfather's ancient typewriter. The keys, cold and stiff, waited for my touch. Suddenly, the carriage jerked. Without warning, the machine clattered, spelling out words I hadn't thought. Help me. I froze. The keys hammered faster, ink bleeding. He sees you. My breath caught. The attic light flickered. The typewriter screamed out one last message. Behind you. I spun, heart pounding, but saw only my reflection in the cracked window, smiling back, eyes not my own, fingers poised above the keys.